Number 1. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,600, with 371,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a powerful 5.7L engine. It features a red exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The current owner has had it for 6 years, but with a recent upgrade, it's time to downsize the fleet. The original owner had a remanufactured engine installed at 220,000 miles and a rebuilt transmission at 248,000 miles, with all paperwork available. Though 28 years old, this truck remains strong and reliable, receiving yearly alignments at Firestone. It comes with extra perks, including a Chilton service manual, an upgraded cup holder, a bed-mounted toolbox, a new headliner, a bed liner, and nearly new tires with excellent tread. It is being sold as is with a clean Colorado title. Number 2. 1988 Dodge D100, price $6,000. This is a well-preserved 2WD short bed pickup with 101,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a bold red exterior paired with a red interior. It is powered by a reliable 239 V6 engine and runs great with minimal rust, making it a solid classic truck. The body is in excellent shape for its age, and the interior remains in good condition. Originally a project truck, it has been well cared for but is now being sold in favor of a work truck. With its strong performance and clean appearance, this Dodge D100 is a great choice for enthusiasts or collectors looking for a dependable vintage pickup. Number 3. 1977 Ford F150, price $5,500. This is a well-maintained classic pickup with 45,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a clean white exterior paired with a black interior. It is powered by a reliable 302 engine but also comes with an additional 351 motor for those looking to upgrade. Completely rust-free, this truck runs and drives great, currently being driven about 30 miles daily, proving its dependability. While it needs a rag joint for the steering and some finishing touches, all necessary repairs are minor and affordable. The body and frame are in excellent condition, making it a solid candidate for a restoration or daily driver. With a clean title and strong performance, this F-150 is an excellent choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a classic truck with great potential. Number 4. 1979 Ford F-150, price $8,500. This is a well-preserved classic 4WD pickup with 40,000 miles, a manual transmission, and a striking red exterior complemented by a black interior. It is equipped with a strong and reliable 300L6 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, providing a solid driving experience. Extensive bodywork has been completed, ensuring the truck remains in great shape while maintaining its vintage appeal. Recently, the truck received a full brake overhaul with new rear brakes, along with fresh fluids, a new set of tires, and a newer fuel tank. While it is missing the front driveshaft, it still runs and drives well and is currently used as a daily driver. With its sturdy build, recent maintenance, and classic styling, this F-150 is an excellent choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a dependable and well-maintained vintage truck. Number 5. 1988 Dodge D150, price $6,500, with 160,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a bold orange exterior paired with a tan interior. It is powered by a strong 318 V8 engine and comes equipped with factory air conditioning, which will need recharging. Originally from a Virginia school district, the truck is nearly rust-free, with only a small golf ball-sized spot over the passenger side rear wheel well. Running and driving well, this truck will need new tires and some brake work but remains highly drivable in its current condition. Given its solid body and minimal rust, it would make an excellent vintage Mopar cruiser or a great candidate for a restomod project. With its classic design and well-preserved structure, this Dodge D150 offers plenty of potential for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 6. 1979 Dodge D100, price $6,500, with 139,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a bold red exterior complemented by a black interior. It is powered by a strong-running 318 poly engine, delivering reliable performance. The truck features a well-preserved bed, solid tires, and dependable brakes, making it a great option for daily driving or restoration. Recently, it has been fitted with a new battery, water pump, and blower motor, ensuring its continued reliability. With a clean title and a sturdy frame, this Dodge D100 stands as a great example of a vintage truck that has been well cared for over the years. Its combination of durability, classic styling, and recent maintenance makes it a fantastic choice for collectors or enthusiasts. Number 7. 1983 Chevrolet C10, price $7,300, with 88,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a brown exterior with a matching brown interior. It is powered by a 305 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 transmission and features a performance cam and long tube headers, giving it an impressive sound. Loaded with factory options, it includes air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, tilt steering, and cruise control. The truck has been recently serviced with a fresh tune-up, and everything functions as it should. Believed to have its original mileage, this C10 still drives like new. It has a solid body with only 2 small rust spots on the driver's side, but no history of hail damage, wrecks, or leaks. The carburetor may need slight tuning as it occasionally runs rich, but overall, the truck runs and drives fantastic, making it a great choice for a daily driver. It comes with a clean Colorado title, offering reliability and classic charm in one package. Number 8. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, with 189,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a stylish black exterior paired with a gray interior. It is powered by a dependable 350 small block engine and was previously used as a daily driver. This truck is an excellent candidate for a project build while still being fully operational, with no major mechanical issues. The body has only surface rust, preserving its solid structure. It has been upgraded with a 2-inch rough country lift and a rough country steering stabilizer for improved handling. Additionally, it sits on fairly new tires and has undergone recent maintenance, including a new battery, all new ball joints, and tie rods. Number 9. 1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $3,500. It has 260,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, a bold black exterior, and a tan interior. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 5.9L 360 V8 engine, making it an excellent candidate for a restoration or a fun summer cruiser. The truck runs great and remains mostly stock, aside from a few cosmetic modifications. It has been recently serviced with a brand new water pump, brakes, and calipers. The original key fob is still functional, and it comes equipped with power seats and windows. With its short bed design and classic styling, this Dodge Ram is a solid truck worth fixing up and enjoying on the road. Number 10. 1991 Chevy 1500, price $9,000. It is equipped with a 350 crate engine featuring a mild cam and a monster 4L80E transmission with a higher stall speed, both having only around 15,000 miles on them. The frame has been bedlined, and the engine bay is paint matched, adding to its durability and clean look. The truck also boasts an uncracked dash, good tire tread, and has been fully detailed for sale. While it runs strong, a few repairs are needed, including replacing the front CV axles and addressing an issue with either a transmission sensor or the head unit. Some rust has started to develop, but overall, this Chevy remains a reliable and well-maintained truck with plenty of potential.